So kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, huwag kalimutang mag-like and subscribe. So for today's video, pag-aaralan naman natin kung paano mag-simplify ng fraction or how to reduce it into its lowest form. So ano nga ba ulit yung fraction? Meron nga pala akong ginawang video about that at makikita nyo ang link below sa description box. So ano nga ba ulit yung fraction? So fractions is a numerical quantity, okay, that is not a whole number, but it represents a part of a whole. Okay, so bali mayroon tayong dalawang parts ng fractions. Okay, so we have the numerator, which is yung nandun sa taas ng linya. Okay, at yung nasa baba naman is called the denominator. So paano nga ba simplify ng fraction o paano ito i-reduce sa kanyang lowest form? Okay, so una, hahanapin lang natin ang greatest common factor or GCF. Okay, so paano nga ba natin kukunin yung GCF? Okay, so first, okay, una natin gagawin, ididista natin yung mga factors ng numerator at ng denominator. Okay, so ano nga ba yung mga factors na yan? Ito yung pag minultiply natin sila, the product or the answer will be the numerator and the denominator. Okay, and then hahanapin natin yung pinakamataas na number that is common for the numerator and the denominator. So for example, 4/16. Okay, so unahin natin yung 4, yung numerator. Okay, so ilista natin yung kanyang mga factors. So we have 1 times 4 and 2 times 2. Okay, sunod naman natin yung denominator natin na 16. So ano yung mga factors niyan? Meron tayong 1 times 16. And then we have 8 times 2 and 4 times 4. Then, after nating mailista yung mga factors ng numerator at ng denominator, titignan natin ano nga ba yung pinakamataas na common or similar sa mga factors ng numerator and denominator. So, ano nga ba yung pinakamataas? Ang pinakamataas na factor sa ating numerator and denominator ay ang number 4. So, ang ating GCF is the number 4. Then, i-divide natin yung ating numerator and denominator sa GCF or the greatest common factor. In this case, ang GCF natin ay 4. Okay, so 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. And 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. So, ang simplest form ng ating fraction is 1/4. So, next example is 6/30. Okay, so, ganun ulit, no? Unahin natin ilista yung mga factors, okay, ng numerator and denominator. Unahin natin yung numerator, which is 6. So, ano nga ba yung mga factors ng 6? So, we have 1 times 6. We have 2 times 3. Isunod naman natin yung denominator natin, 30. Ano nga ba yung mga factors ng 30? We have 1 times 30. We have 2 times 15. Meron ding 3 times 10. Okay, at 5 times 6. Then after nating mailista yung factors ng numerator and denominator, hanapin ulit natin yung GCF o yung greatest common factor. So ano nga ba yung pinakamataas na common factor? Okay, so ang GCF natin is the number 6. Then, i-divide natin both yung numerator and denominator sa ating GCF. In this case, ang GCF natin is the number 6. So, we have 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. And then 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5. So, ang simplest form ng ating fraction is 6/30 is 1/5. So, next example, we have 9/15. So, again, kukunin lang natin yung factors ng numerator and denominator. In this case, kunin muna natin yung factors ng numerator. So, the number is 9. So, ano nga ba yung factors ng 9? We have 1 times 9 and 3 times 3. Then, kunin naman natin yung factors ng ating denominator, which is in this case, it's 15. So, factors ng 15 is 1 times 15 and 3 times 5. Then, after nating mailista yung mga factors ng numerator and denominator, hahanapin ulit natin kung ano nga ba yung greatest common factor. Okay? O yung pinakamataas na number na pareho sa listahan ng factors ng numerator and denominator. In this case, that number is number 3. Okay, so ang ating GCF is 3. And then, i-divide natin yung ating numerator and denominator by 3. So, we have 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. And 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. So, ang simplest form ng 9 over 15 is equal to 3/5. Napakadali lang, di ba, na mag-simplify ng fractions or reducing it to its simplest form. So kung nagustuhan ninyo ang video na ito, don't forget to like and subscribe.